Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Ryan Diasto. And for today's episode 49, mga must-try drinks by PrendLi Milktea Snack House. PrendLi Milktea Snack House. PM is the key to happiness. The word PM means PrendLi Milktea, derived from sound like friendly. A friendly budget milk tea that everyone would love. They're located at Purok, Poblacion, Sumakwel Street, Pavia, Iloilo City. They're open every day starting 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. But for now mga nos, they're available for pickup at their store, but very soon, available na din sila for delivery services. And for their full list of menus, I'll be providing description down below. This episode is sponsored by PrendLi Milktea Snack House. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. At ito na mga nos, yung shoutout portion natin. Mag-shoutout ako ng dalawang tao nag-support sa aking Drinking Nose sa lahat po ng social media platforms ko, sa TikTok, sa Instagram, sa Facebook page, at also sa YouTube channel ko, Drinking Nose. Yung first natin i-shoutout ay si Nate Galora. Thank you for promoting and always supporting Drinking Nose sa lahat po ng kilala mo sa Bigo app. So yung next natin i-shoutout ay si Dreb Valensona Del Monte, aka Fallen. Thank you Fallen sa pag-promote and always sa pag-support sa aking Drinking Nose. Bigos po to sa Bigo app. So shoutout sa iyo. Thank you talaga sa inyo dalawa. And keep safe mga nose. So I hear drinks by PrendLi Milktea Snack House. So iba't ibang sizes to mga nose. They have their regular size and also for their large size. But before anything else, please do like this video and comment down below kung anong mga drinks and flavors na gusto nyo try. And also pakishare po sa mga kilala nyo may hilig sa milk tea. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo updated sa mga latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. Kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po, huwag nyo pong i-skip. Malaking tulong na po yun sa aking channel sa Drinking Nose. Ito, very first ko, i-taste test yung products nila, especially for their drinks. Pinaka most recommended na milk tea brand here in Iloilo City. So let's start mga nose. So unahin ko muna yung ice blended nila or yung frap base. For our first drink, under chiller bar category, this is salted caramel chiller. For large size, 75 pesos. Very creamy siya. Tapos nandun naman yung essence for its salted caramel. Pero when it comes to sweetness, ito masyadong matamis siya sa akin. For next drink, under chiller bar category, this is Honeydew Chiller. For large size, 75 pesos. Ito first time ko matry yung honeydew flavor, especially for frap base. Ito sakto yung texture, yung essence for its flavor. Ito nasa lighter version for its sweetness. On point siya. Lahat po ng flavors nila under classic and also for their premium category, na included na siya Jasmine Tea. For next drink, under classic category, these are PMT Milktea for regular size for 40 pesos. Very present yung kiniklaim nila na Jasmine Tea essence for this drink. When it comes sa milk base, very creamy siya. And also for their pearls, very soft, very easy to eat. Next drink, under classic category, these are Okinawa Milktea for regular size, 45 pesos. Ito na sa tama yung level for its sugar essence, which is good for me taste. So very distinctive yung Okinawa tea essence niya, properly balanced for its overall flavor. For next drink, under classic category, these are Wintermelon Milktea for regular size, 45 pesos. So far sa tatlong classic nila, ito, na-maintain nila yung tea essence, yung jasmine, and also for its distinctive tea essence for each of their flavors. Excellent job! So mas lalo kong na-appreciate yung tea essence for jasmine and also for its wintermelon, which is excellent for my taste. For next drink, under classic category, and their newest drink, this is Thai iced tea for regular size, 45 pesos. Ito yung condensed mix niya, properly proportioned, yung texture and also for its sweetness. And when it comes sa Thai tea essence or yung extract niya, on point siya. Di siya faint taste, pero well-balanced siya for this drink. The next drink, under classic category, is your chocolate milk tea for regular size, 45 pesos. Ito, very rich yung chocolate flavor niya when it comes to texture and for its sweetness. Yung nagustuhan ko dito, hindi siya too much sweet, pero ito, mas lalong ma-appreciate yung chocolate essence, especially sa mga chocolate lovers and for kids. Next drink, under premium category, this is Mango Mania for regular size, 55 pesos. Ito for this drink, very creamy yung texture niya and also for its flavor. Ito nag-blend talaga or nag-well-balance yung lahat ng ingredients in one drink. For next drink, under premium category, this is Lil Angel's Oreo for regular size, 60 pesos. Premium flavor sila. Ito, na-maintain nila yung consistency for its Jasmine Tea essence, which is excellent for my taste. Also, when it comes to Oreo granules and for its flavor, on point siya. Tapos nag-well-balance siya for Jasmine Tea essence. Nag-best complement sila for two flavors in one drink. For next drink, under premium category, these are Sweet Yoy for large size, 65 pesos. It has a lighter feel for its overall flavor and texture for this chocolate drink. So when it comes to sugar level, ito properly proportioned at well-balanced for this drink. For next drink, under premium category, these are Red Velvet for large size, 65 pesos. Nalasahan ko yung Red Velvet Cake Essence for its texture and also for its lighter version. Very similar siya for its flavor and texture for Kit Kat chocolate. For next drink under premium series, this is Tarolicious for large size, 65 pesos. Very creamy siya. Tapos nasa lighter version for its sugar level, which is applicable for my taste. And also when it comes sa Taro Essence or yung texture, nandun yung lapuyot feel or yung thickness for this product. Okay, for rating manos, for salted caramel chiller, I'll give this a 9. And sa lahat po ng remaining drinks nila, I'll give it a perfect 10. So yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for on the go or yung mga naghahanap ng tea essence for their milk tea products, I would suggest si Thai Iced Tea, si Wintermelon, si Okinawa, and also si PMT. And sa mga drinks na pwede ko suggest for chocolate lovers or sa mga kids, I would suggest si chocolate milk tea, si Sweet Yoy, and also si Red Velvet. And yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for its creaminess and also for its fruit essence, I would suggest si Mango Mania and also si Tarolicious. And if you're looking for something ice blended, I would suggest si Salted Caramel Chiller and also si Honeydew Chiller. Rate ko si Salted Caramel Chiller na 9 out of 10 kasi masyado siyang matamis for my taste. Pero ito kapag nababa lang yung percentage or yung sugar level for this drink, ito, perfect niya sa akin. When it comes sa classic category nila and their premium category, ito na-maintain nila yung right consistency for its Jasmine Tea essence. Kahit flavored drink siya or regular tea essence lang. Na-appreciate lalo yung tinatawag na milk tea talaga, yung hinahabol mo na tea essence for milk tea product. So thank you so much sa lahat po ng owners and baristas ng PrendLi Milktea Snack House, sa lahat po ng efforts niyo for preparation, for delivery, and also for overall presentation for my vlog episode, Drinking Nose. So I hope na hindi po to yung last na i-taste test ko yung drinks niyo, but also maybe soon sa mga new products niyo or new foods coming very soon. So PrendLi Milktea Snack House has good quality of products, excellent service, budget friendly, and is certified Drinking Nose standards approved. So once again, thank you so much and congratulations to PrendLi Milktea Snack House. Keep safe mga nose. Bye!